How's it going, guys? Going off grid. Check it out. I bought 3 more of these solar panels. So Allpowers sent me this one. It's a little dirty. It's been sitting in my garage for review. I liked it so much, I asked them if they would send me 3 more. And they said, we can't send you 3 more. But they gave me a discount code for these. So I got 15% off. So I bought 3 more. And I did the measurements. And it's going to start about 1 inch above that light, and it fits directly in between the 2 trim pieces. I'll have about 1 inch or half an inch clearance both sides. And yeah, we're going to get an extra 400 watts of solar on the roof. Okay, so there's all of our panels there. Here's my adhesives I'm using Expert Pro, whatever, clear silicone around the edges. I got lap sealant I'm using to actually glue it down with, and then I'm also putting down 3M 2-sided tape just on the corners to keep it down until the lap sealant hardens. Lap sealant turns into like this stuff, like a really sticky rubber. Then I'm using Eternal Bond tape to go around the edges because I don't want this ever going anywhere. I don't want water getting under here at all. And then I just got 4 more to do. And in the middles, I'm just gonna put a strip of Eternal Bond tape just so water can't get underneath. And there's multiple reasons why I'm putting these solar panels on. It might be a little bit ugly. I think it's gonna look really good when it's done because it's all dark and black. But the front of this trailer gets hammered with sun. And I just coated it with, what's it called? Diamond Clear. Because it was getting really, really bad. And this will help keep sun off of it. I'll only have to worry about the bottom half, which doesn't get as much direct sun. Yeah, the Diamond Clear did a really good job on the sides too. But we're just going to put 4 more across here. That'll give me an extra 400 watts. We're going to run these cables all the way across the roof. And I'm going to put another junction box or inlet, waterproof inlet, so I can get my wires into the RV at the same spot there. Go through the side cabinets into where all my batteries are. And these will be on its own separate charge controller because they are facing a different direction. These are just essentially up. These ones are facing out. So I'm going to put these on its own charge controller, I believe. Unless, we'll see if the voltages match up right, but I don't think it will because 1, 2, 3, those are all in series. And then these 4 will be in series. I think these will be a lower voltage though. These will be close to 100 volts. These are like 130 or something. And there you have it. That's all I'm doing. Sticking that sucker on, putting some Eternal Bond around it. Okay, look at that. They're all mounted. Now I just need to do the wiring. I don't think it looks too bad. I don't think it makes it look better. I don't think it makes it look a whole lot worse. It does have a cool factor now, because you can definitely see panels across the front. Anyways, let's get to wiring. Alright, we're on the roof section now. I put a bunch of lap sealant over top of the tape just so that water can't start peeling the tape eventually. But I think the install looks pretty good. I don't know about you guys, but I kind of like the look on the front, the black look. Now, I'm going to be Eternal Bonding taping all these wires down flat. I'm just putting MC4 connectors on the end of that wire there, running it beside that inlet there. I got another one. It's going to be going down right beside it. I'm going to move the charge controller so it's on the wall and visible all the time, just so I can see my power usage and what I'm getting and all that stuff. But I really like it, and I might put a couple more flexible panels up here. Like I got a spot there for another 100 watt, another 100 watt. I got another spot for almost another 400 watt, for sure 300 up here. And if I could get one that doesn't have these boxes, those little boxes where the wires come out, I could even put them on the slide, which would be really cool. I think someone's got to come out with a solar awning. So the awning rolls out and it's a giant solar panel. That would be so cool. I'm sure it'd be really expensive though. Anyways, let's keep plugging at her. Okay, so I got all the connectors taped down for now. I didn't worry about keeping them away from there if I want to put a panel, because if I put a panel there, it'll be a bigger one like these. So it'll be up above anyways. It's not going to be a flexible, I don't think. This one will also be a hard panel as well if I ever put it there. Same with the one where I'm standing. So that's why I didn't really worry about that so much. I got my inlet, or whatever this thing is called. Doesn't even have anything written on it, but there's the old one. I did this one about 3 or 4 years ago. It's just the same. I did exactly the same thing. Screwed it down. Well, first I put the lap sealant down all the way around, put it on top, screwed it down, lap sealant around everything all over again. Self-leveling, as you can see, it's all dripping down. These panels need to be cleaned so bad. But the rest of the work is going to be inside now. I just got to clean up here, put a little bit more Eternal Bond tape on the wires, some bigger pieces like this, and then yeah, that'll be it for up here for now. Alright, just turned the air conditioning on, and this is where our wires are coming in. Just going to route them to the side, out over here with the other one, down this wire run. I don't know if two more will fit in there or not. If they don't, well, I'll just have to get another one. But that goes down, and I'll be hanging that charge controller up today as well. So that'll be kind of nice. I think I'm going to put one, might put one here, just so we can see it all the time. We'll see, not sure yet. Okay, so that's the install for now until I get myself some cable raceways. And we're still making 9 watts somehow, and it's really dark outside. Wow, doesn't look like it. Camera makes everything look so much brighter, but it's not making much power for a reason, because it's pretty dang dark. And that's it. That goes up to solar, that goes down to batteries. That's awesome. I like these little May Sky Blues. For the price, you can't really beat them. Is this what it thinks batteries are at? Because that's way off. The battery's at like 64 or something. What are the batteries at here? 64.3. I have to see, because if that's what that thinks it is, it's way off. I'm going to have to increase the charge. On the other one, I had to go all the way up to 68. This one might be the same. Maybe that's why it's not producing a whole lot of watts either. Who knows? Won't know until it's sunny and I put a good load on the system. Anyways, at least we got a screen we can look at now. Had a little tear here anyway, so I was like, let's put the charge controller there. When we put the raceway, I'll put the raceway so it goes to about this long. I'll kind of cover that up. Awesome, 1600 watts of solar on this baby now.